So welcome guys, now let us see this problem hacker rank called compress the string. So basically we just have to use this function in itertools group by. So what it is, let us see. First of all, let us see the input format. Yes, we just have to take a string and then use that function. So I'll have to import that function first. So I'll just write from itertools I have to import group by, okay, and after that I'll just take the string as input. Okay, and now I'll have to use a for loop, to iterate through this group by function. I'll tell you why. So what you'll do, you'll write for key comma group. So basically after using this group by function we get key and group. Okay, not group by, for key and group in group by. And group by of what? We want the groupings of S. So first of all, I'll not solve it according to HackerRank. First of all, let us print out key and group so that we understand what is happening. So let us print out key and group for every key and group in this group by. So first of all, I'll just copy this input so that we can solve it according to it. Okay. So now when I run this code, see, it gave me 1 and this whole thing. I don't want this thing. So basically what this is do is, I don't want these things. I'll have to convert this into a list so that I get a particular list. So when I print out the list of group, now let us see what happens. Okay, see now 1. So basically 1 is this thing, and how many times it is there? So 1, then that's what it means actually. So 2 is there these many times, 3 is there these many times, and so on. So actually now let us actually what is the thing they want? I think opposite thing of it. So basically they want the key to be afterwards, I think. Where it is? Okay, the okay is replaced by 1 and 1. The character 2 occurs 3 times, that is the number of times. So it is replaced by 3 and 2. So basically they want to replace it, right? So I'll have to print out the key afterwards, and the length of list. How many times means the length of that list, right? That is, we'll get how many times it has occurred. Okay, length of that list, that is, we'll just get how many times it has come, and we have to and we have to print out the key afterwards. They want the order to be opposite basically. So after this length of whatever list, and after that I'll just print out key. Now let us run this code. So see, 1 1 3 2 1 3 and 2 1. 1 1 3 2 1 3 and 2 1. So basically this is the right thing, but we'll just have to convert the output format. So we'll have to make a tuple. So I'll print out a tuple, and fine. Now let us see if it is right or wrong. Okay, yes, tuple should. This is the wrong thing. What I'll do is I'll just cut this whole thing. Hold on, I'll just write a equals to this whole thing again, and I'll just print out tuple of a. Now let us see. Oh wait. Yeah, now it is fine. So 1 3 2, and yeah, this is a string. We don't want it to be a string, we want it to be an integer. So integer of key. Okay, now I think it should work. Yeah, now that's what we want. But yeah, one more thing, we have to bring it on the same line. So simply end equals to this thing. Okay, I think still something is wrong. Yeah, yes, there is a space. I didn't give a space in end equals to. So here I'll just give a space. Now I think it should work. Yeah, now it is fine. It looks fine now. I'll just copy this whole thing and paste it on HackerRank so that we can verify each and every test case. I'll just submit it directly. Okay, I think everything is fine. There's no error. So that's all. Thank you.